Hey there, the Art-tastic sisters here. So for today's video, both of us are here together, and in this video we're gonna show you how to make a birthday card.
It's our dad's birthday and we are going to be using his favorite colors, yellow and black.
You can use any two colors of your choice.
So we'll be needing this gift box which we made. The link of the video in which we make this gift box is linked somewhere over here right now. So we'll also be needing a yellow metallic pen and a black ink pen, and a yellow pattern paper and some black paper. Instead of the patterned yellow paper, you can also be using normal yellow paper. So now we're gonna open this gift box. So now I'm gonna stick the patterned yellow paper over here.
So now I'm going to take papers like these, which are 8 into 11 centimeter, and I'm gonna fold them in half and stick them in this side, and I'm gonna do the same with this side as well. Okay, now let's keep this aside. And now I have a square with side 13 centimeter approximately. And here I have written with love and our names. And now let's keep this on one side. And now I have a black heart with me and some silver paper. So first I'm going to place this black heart on the silver paper and trace this black heart. So I've done that, and now I'm going to draw an outline around the black heart. So now I'm going to cut off this thin heart. Now I've cut off the silver heart, and now I'm going to take this silver heart, place it in a black paper and cut out a black heart. Trace this and cut out the black heart. Okay, now I'm going to take the small black heart and stick it like this over here. Now I'm going to take this silver heart and stick it on top like this. Now I'm going to take the big black heart, stick it like this over here, and take this silver heart and stick the silver heart like this. Now I'm going to stick this over here like this, and I have some golden strip which I'm going to stick like this. Another one in this side. So now I have another one of those 8 into 11 centimeter pieces which I'm gonna fold in half, and I'm going to stick it on top of this. Now it looks like this. So there are two things. So I'm going to take the one which is on the bottom and take a paper which is half of this whole square, and I'm going to stick it like this onto this thing.
Now we have stuck this to make a door like thingy. Now we're gonna keep this aside. I've taken this white A4 sheet paper. Now I'm going to fold it in half vertically. After folding it in half, I'm gonna open it and fold it like this. I'm gonna do it on all the 4 corners of the A4 size. After doing this, I'm gonna fold it like this, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Now I'm gonna take this and fold it like this. So now in the back side, we're gonna write a message. So after writing this, I'm gonna fold it like this and then like this and put it inside. Now I'm gonna take this golden yellow marker and write pull.
Now I have this with me, and I'm going to stick it like this over here. So when we pull it, we can pull it like this and open it to get this. I have this balloon cut out which I'm going to stick like this over here. I have one more of it, 2 more of it actually, and the third one. And now I have 7 squares. 3 yellow squares and 4 black squares, each of have a 7 centimeter side. And I have an A4 size paper where I have drawn on the bottom a 7 centimeter square. And I've drawn 6 lines on top of it, leaving a gap of 1 centimeter. And there's a line over here. So we have to cut off from this line first. Now after cutting this off, I'm going to fold through each of these lines. Now I have it with me, and I'm going to fold it from here. And now I'm going to take these squares which we have. So first I'm going to stick a black square like this over here. Now I'm going to stick a yellow square over here. So it's going to be like this. Just on top of it, there's going to be glue. And a black square over here, and a yellow square over here, black square over here, yellow square, and then again black square. Now I have done this. See, when I hold this from the bottom and I pull this white thing back, we can get a thing like this. So here we have it, and now we're gonna write messages in here. So first I'm gonna take a silver metallic pen. I'm gonna write I So now I've written all over here. So I've done it like this, as you can see, and I've written a pull me over here. But for this to work, we need down black thing to stay still. So what I'm going to do is take a white strip of paper and stick it like this over here. Now I'm going to take this strip and fold it like this. I'm gonna apply glue over here and stick this part onto this box. Now I've stuck it and we're gonna let the glue dry, and one of these rectangles again and stick them like this over here, and do the same in this side as well. Now I'm gonna stick this and this. So yes, we have two of these. Okay, now I have stuck this. Now I'm going to take a black square paper, fold it in half, and then fold it in half the other way, and then fold a triangle, and then from this place I'm gonna fold it like this and like this. So yes, here we have a diamond shaped thing. I'm gonna stick one side of this diamond shaped thing like this over here. So when I open it from the top, I can get a thing like this. So I'm going to write something over here, some message. So now I'm going to take this yellow paper where I've written love you so much and stick it like this over here. Then I'm going to close this back up. And I'm going to take the silver pen and write open like this. And now I'm going to take white paper where I've written you are our sunshine and stick it like this over here. So I've stuck a few things over here. And now I'm going to take a paper which is 22 into 11 centimeter, fold it in half, keep it. Take another paper 10 into 20 centimeter, 9 into 18, 8 into 16, 7 into 14, 6 into 12, 5 into 10, 4 into 8. Now I have all of these paper which I'm going to layer one on top of the other. So first I'm going to take two of the smallest of them. I've folded all of them in half to get a square. So I'm going to take this, apply some glue on one side, and take this paper. Now if I can open this paper like this, I'm going to be able to open this paper like this. You understand? I'm gonna stick it first on the center. So I'm opening this like this and then opening this like this. And then I'm gonna stick the next paper. I'm going to stick it like this so that I can open it from top to bottom. And the next paper, I'm going to stick it like this so that I can open it from right to left like this. Next, again, we go on like this, sticking all of these papers which we have. Now I have stuck this inside. I have written messages like this. The next step is to take two more pieces like these and stick them, both of them, onto this yellow thing.
So now I'm going to stick this happy birthday. I made this using normal black paper and then punched some holes and added ends. Now I have also got this thing. This thing I made using four wooden sticks, and then put a black paper writing happy birthday, and I made such things with brown paper and put stickers over here. Now I've stuck stars, hearts and such things. So now I'm going to close this lid and tie the ribbon. I put a lot of efforts in making this, so hope our dad likes it.
He deserves the best because he's an amazing father and a really amazing person as well.
We wish him
A very, very happy birthday. Okay, so this is how our card looks right now. I hope you liked our card and our video. And if you did, smash that like button. And also share it with some of your friends who might use this. For more such content, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. And yes, tell me what you think about this video and if you have any suggestions or doubts in the comments. Thank you for watching. And now there are some videos on the screen, including the gift box video which I mentioned earlier, so you can check that out so that you can know how to do it as well. There are also some other DIYs which you can check out. And that's it for today. See you next Saturday. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay creative.